SupDropshipping is a popular e-commerce platform used by many successful dropshippers. In this video, I'm going to review SupDropshipping across several different categories, including pricing and subscription costs, integration with other e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, as well as automation features and so much more. Choosing the wrong platform to host your e-commerce business can be a huge waste of time and money, so watch this video all the way to the end so that you have all the information you need to decide if SupDropshipping could be the right platform for your business. Now, for your convenience, I've included the link to SupDropshipping in the description of this video so you can check it out. Let's talk about product sourcing and suppliers. SupDropshipping connects users with a vast network of global suppliers, offering access to an extensive range of products across various categories, including electronics, fashion, home goods, beauty products, and more. So the platform really focuses on reliable and vetted suppliers to make sure that the quality and availability are both good. Every supplier goes through a rigorous vetting process to meet SupDropshipping standards for quality and reliability so that they can offer top-notch products to their customers. The ability to source from multiple suppliers also allows you to find unique and niche products that can help you differentiate yourself from your competitors. Let's talk about pricing and fees for SupDropshipping, because I'm sure you want to know about that. As you can see right here, they've got a few different plans. So they've got the free plan that you can get started using the link in the description. It's just basic, and so you get like a free tour. You can start your e-commerce venture today with some support. If you decide to be serious about this and actually start, making money with your business and growing it, then the pro plan is probably better for you. It's only $20 a month, and you can scale your business and build your own brand with their fulfillment service. And if you really want to take this to the next level and expand your business, then only $30 a month. You get premium, where you get the top priorities, and it's designed and experienced for professional sellers to achieve online retailing success. So you can see all the different features that are included. Basically, the number of product sources that you can source per day goes up with the plans. Same with the amount of searches and listing limits and integration limits and everything else. So you can see that right here. If you want to try it out completely for free, you can just use the link in the description, by the way. And now let's talk about the integration and automation. SupDropshipping excels in integration and automation. It provides seamless connectivity with major e-commerce platforms like the ones you can see here. They've got Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Etsy, PrestaShop, Amazon, and a bunch of others right here. Now, SupDropshipping also offers robust automation features that can streamline the dropshipping process. So they've got real-time inventory updates, automated order processing, and price synchronization. So you can actually set up custom rules for order fulfillment, ensuring that it's efficient and accurately processing your orders. Now let's talk about the user interface and experience. So as you can see right here, the user interface of SupDropshipping is designed to be intuitive and friendly. It's really, makes it really easy for beginners, but also for experienced dropshippers to navigate the website and manage their stores. They actually also have detailed guides, tutorials, and tools available on their website to help you get the most of their platform. So as you can see here, they have a community with a knowledge base and a community where you can ask questions, and you can find popular questions that others have asked before you, and you can find the answers to that. So lots of resources to help you make your experience better. Let's talk about customer support. So SupDropshipping offers multiple different ways for you to contact them if you need help. You can directly chat with them online, or you can email them between the hours shown here, or you can also fill out this form and send them a message. So multiple different ways to get help if you need it. Let's talk about shipping and delivery. SupDropshipping provides a variety of shipping options, and they work with reliable carriers to make sure that your customers' products are shipped to them in good condition and on time. Now, you can actually also choose between multiple shipping methods, including standard, expedited, and international shipping. So that's going to give you flexibility to meet your customers' needs. SupDropshipping's shipping management tools will help you optimize shipping costs as well, improve delivery times, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. Let's talk about market research and analytics. SupDropshipping offers advanced market research and analytics tools to help you make informed decisions about your business. They provide detailed reports and analytics for KPIs, like key performance indicators like your sales volume, revenue, and profit margins as well. You can easily use these tools to analyze supplier performance and figure out what your high performing products are so you can focus on them and boost your profits in your business. Let's talk about returns and refunds management. SupDropshipping makes the return and refund policy really clear and streamlined for your customers so they can easily request a refund and everything is going to get handled on the back end efficiently without you having to directly get involved. So that's going to make it much easier for you to run the business. Let's talk about trust and security as well. So SupDropshipping employs robust security measures to protect your data and your transactions as well as for your customers. They use secure servers and encryption to make sure that sensitive information is protected against unauthorized access. They're compliant with all the industry standards and they also regularly update their systems to keep up to date. Let's talk about value added services. So in addition to its core features, SupDropshipping offers value added services that will enhance the overall experience of you if you use it in your business. These include marketing tools to help you promote your products and drive traffic to your stores, like SEO optimization and email marketing integrations as well. SupDropshipping's value added services provide you with the tools and knowledge that you need to success in your e-commerce business. Now at this point, if you're not happy with the way your business is running, you have two options, and I made a little meme here to drive my point home. Let me just zoom in because I'm too cheap to purchase this. So as you can see here, you've got two options. You can be this guy or you can be the Chad. So what's the difference here? Well, the Chad runs his business like a machine using cutting edge tools to free up his time. He works on his business, not in it, right? Chad is the guy who, if he sees a great software or a great tool to add automation to his business, if he can free up his time, he's going to do it. He doesn't want to use clunky software that breaks. He doesn't want to have to manually add data or make changes and things like that. He doesn't want to have to manually issue refunds on his own, like at 3 a.m. in the morning, right? He sets up systems. What does this guy do? Well, he does manual labor because he's too lazy to use high leverage platforms. He's basically a slave to his own business, right? His business, he's working in his business, basically an employee. He doesn't actually run the business. He's just working in the business because he doesn't have automations. He's not using powerful softwares and leverage tools to free up his time and run the business on autopilot. So you can decide which one you want to be. If you're not happy with the way your business is running, if your tools are clunky, I would recommend being the Chad and making a change. I've included all relevant links in the description of this video so you can check them out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.